Welcome to Java Forum. Now I am going to show you how to create, modify and delete the soft link in Red Hat Enterprise Linux 8 operating system. So what is soft link? So soft link means it's creating a shortcut to the file or directory which is located in different location. Okay, so that you can access very fast. Okay, so here I can see in /opt directory I have created two directories, softlink and softlink2. So two directories are there. So I am going to create a softlink for these two directories from my home directory. Okay, let me open the terminal. See here, this is my current working directory. So I am going to create link. So this is the command ln-s/opt softlink welcome.sh. So under softlink you have welcome.sh file. So I am creating softlink to this script file welcome.sh, which is located under /opt/softlink. So welcome file.sh is the name of the softlink. Here welcome file.sh is pointing to /opt/softlink/welcome.sh, which means welcome file.sh is a shortcut to /opt/softlink/welcome.sh. Okay, so this is entirely different from hardlink. Hardlink means creating exact copy. Softlink means creating a shortcut. That's it. You can see that I can able to access this file. So let me save the content. So now let me go to the original location. Yes, I can able to see the content is modified here. So whatever you modified in soft link, that will be reflected in original file. So soft link is nothing but shortcut. That's it. Okay. Now let me create another one. This time I am creating for a directory link -s/opt/softlink home soft linked directory. That's it. ls-ltr. So see here, soft linked directory is pointing to /opt/softlink directory. So I can go to this directory /opt/softlink directory directly by change directory to softlink directory. That's it. So you can access the content of /opt/softlink directory directly by going to softlink directory. Okay. Okay. Now next, what I am going to do, I am going to modify the softlink. Okay. So I am going to modify the shortcuts, which means I am going to point different source to the shortcuts which I already created. So welcome file.sh. Now I am pointing to welcome2.sh. See here, previously it's pointing to welcome.sh. Now I have modified to welcome2.sh. So note down the command ln-sf. So that is the syntax. Okay. Now let me show you how to delete or unlink this shortcuts. Just type unlink soft link direct unlink welcome file.sh. That's it. This will delete the shortcuts. So this will delete only the shortcuts, not the files under slash opt slash softlink and slash opt slash softlink 2. So this is the way